Chen. I would again like to bring our thoughts back to the basics here, this time to a very basic, important area of focus of Rotary, and that is the promotion of peace and the resolution of conflicts, which are fundamental if communities are to be really able to enjoy the impact of services. It is our belief that through our efforts in services, we will be able to promote better understanding in the community and thus help promote harmony and peace. It is also our belief that by promoting better exchange and understanding within community and across communities, services can be sustained and hence their impact significantly enhanced. And this brings us to one of the key messages from Rotary International President Ian Riseley. Apart from continuing and expanding our humanitarian services, we must not forget to promote cultural exchange among different districts. The exchange of cultural study groups involving mainly the younger generation of different places will be one of the key focuses of Rotary Year 2017 and 18. 6 international conferences on peace will be conducted in the coming Rotary Year in 6 different places around the world. Now, in District 3450, we have started organizing our cultural exchange groups. We are also planning to organize, for the first time in our district, a conference in which young persons from different cities in the region, such as Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Taiwan, Manila, Bangkok, Seoul, New Delhi, Sydney, etc., can meet and exchange ideas and share experiences with focuses on how to achieve peace through service. Why is it important to ensure sustainability in our activities, and where and how to explore new initiatives which may facilitate entrepreneurship and the startup of new business? Through exchange and collaboration with others, our younger generation will be able to appreciate better the issues existing in various cities and the approaches and ways and means which may be used in addressing such issues. Participants will be given the opportunity of identifying issues to be tackled and drawing the possible solutions and implementation plans. They may also bring the ideas and proposals back to their home cities and try out the solutions identified and report progress in the next round of the conference. Now, this is not going to be an easy task, but it is going to make a difference. It may become the first of a conference series, which will last for many years. It may bring about profound impact on the younger generation in the various cities which participate in the conference. The above, my dear friends, are just some examples of how we may make a difference. It is important for each and every one of us to always be prepared to think about how to make a difference. We can make it a daily motto for each and every one of us. If we are all prepared to do so, a lot of good ideas will emerge. If we can eventually turn these ideas into concrete plans, we will be able to make a lot of differences to the world. What next is, of course, that we should turn these plans into concrete actions to really make a difference. I would therefore like to ask my Rotary Club presidents on stage to help me in making my conclusion by responding to 2 basic questions. My dear presidents, who are we?
We are Rotary leaders.
Who are we?
We are Rotary leaders.
What are we going to do?
Make a difference.
Okay. Thank you, my dear presidents. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening to me. Allow me to generalize what I have just said as follows. Every one of us can make a difference. If we join hands, we can move mountains. My dear friends, let us join hands. Let us together make a difference. Thank you.
Thank you, Governor HW. Can you all please be seated?
Now is the time we have been waiting
Please be
for,
seated. Yes.
our group photo section. Let me invite guest of honor, Professor Sophia Chen, JP, and the past Rotary International President Gary Huang to join our district governor and all president for the first photo.
For the second photo, I would like to invite to the stage all past governors, future governors, Chief District Secretary Eddie Wong, all assistant governors and district secretaries, and also our organizing committee chairman, past President Dennis Chan, for this photo.
Thank you, past governor and district officer. You may return to your seats now. And for the third photo, may I invite all the honorable guests from the table 1 to 6 and the organizing committee members, please join the team on the stage for the third photo. 咁第3張嘅大合照呢，請各位喺第1至第6台嘅貴賓，連同籌委會嘅成員上台一齊影相第3張，唔該。So may I invite all the honorable guests from table 1 to table 6 and the organizing committee members, please join the team on the stage for the third photo. 第3張大合照呢，我哋請所有喺第1至第6號台嘅貴賓，連同籌委會嘅成員一齊上台影大合照嘅。Wow, what a wonderful photo. It's really more than 100 people on stage. Okay. 請各位嘉賓坐好嚇。好啦，如果大家準備好嘅話呢，我哋可以望住我哋嘅攝影師嚇，大會攝影師影一張靚靚嘅大合照啦。 好，大家準備好未？嗱，望住大會攝影師啦嚇，準備好未？預備 cheers 咯噃！我哋數3聲好唔好啊？1，準備好未？1、2、3 ，cheers！
Thank you, all honorable guests. You may now return to your seats while Governor HW, all presidents, and the organizing committee members, please remain on the stage for toasting.
多謝晒咁多位貴賓，你哋可以翻回座位就座。總監、社長同埋籌委請你哋留步嚇，唔該。好啦，嗱，各位嘉賓，你留意下一個項目係啲咩？我聽知道點樣做咯喎，好唔好？
Fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to toast to the success of tonight's installation. But, true to the Rotary theme, we are going to do something different. We are having a mannequin challenge.
咁啊，今屆我哋要有一啲特別嘅嘢啦，係咪？所以我哋咧當與時並進啦，就連捉走都一樣嘅。我哋會搞一個新嘅意思啦，玩一啲又潮又 hit 嘅嘢㗎。大家準備好未啊？嗱，大家再留意我哋講嘅呢個下一個環節點樣做啦，下一個環節嚇。
各位嘉賓、各位扶輪社嘅社友，我係 Dennis， 麻煩大家肅靜少少，聽一聽我哋一個小遊戲。我希望今晚大家可以做一個創舉，全部人都可以做到呢一件事。麻煩大家可唔可以靜一靜，聽一聽我哋 MC 介紹一下呢一個小遊戲係點樣做嘅，好唔好？可唔可以啊？大家靜一靜，可唔可以？
嗱，首先咧，今日我哋要將定格挑戰啦加入我哋嘅捉走儀式嘅。呢個定格挑戰咧就係你哋喺揸酒杯啦，好多酒喺邊啦。咁然之後咧，你哋操之前咧要定一個 pose 嘅，譬如話咁樣又得，咁樣又得，但係定1分鐘喎，1分鐘唔好喐喎嚇。我哋嘅 cameraman 會同大家影啲好靚嘅相嘅，一陣間會睇翻嗰個 video 睇翻你嘅樣㗎啦，好唔好啊？
All of us will freeze on the pose, and then our cameraman will go around the hall and capture this wonderful moment. So, everyone, please stand up. Well, return to your seats first. Hey, hey, hey. Everyone, some attention, please. Please return to your seats. Stand up. Tuck in your chairs now. Tuck in your chairs. Raise your glass.
嗱，請所有嘅嘉賓你哋企起身啦，將你嘅凳咧拍翻去台下邊先嚇，然之後先擺你個靚靚 pose 喎，好嘛？大家準備好未？飲品有未？
Everyone ready?
嗱，拍埋張凳先喎，唔好撞咗個 pose 唔靚就唔好睇㗎啦嚇。
諗定點樣排啦？點樣
好，
搞笑 pose 啊？
嗱，仲有點解要擺張凳喺台底咧？因為攝影師會喺個會場行一個圈嘅，所以俾位佢走先得㗎，因為影唔到靚相㗎啦，好唔好啊？咁大家將張凳咧拍翻喺台下邊，準備以下嘅環節就係定格挑戰啦。
Okay, are you ready?
準備好未？3、2、1 ，freeze！ 咁斯文一個都。哎呀，好硬！
你做乜出聲啫？
唔好喐啊！唔好喐啊！
唔好眨眼啊！
唔好眨眼啊！
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. 攝影師都唔可以喐。
差唔多啦，忍住啊，忍住啊，唔好喐住啊。Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's cheers!
Cheers!
飲多杯。
Thank you, Governor HW, all guests, officers and presidents. You may leave the stage and return to your seats now.
哇，好開心，好感人啊！喺台上面大家擁抱一下，係一個非常之開心嘅時刻。It's the most precious moment tonight. Okay, please return back to your seats and you will enjoy the video very soon. Wow, 頭先係咪好精彩啊 ，Claire？
好驚啊！
我就企得唔係好穩啊，我喐緊其實個人，1分鐘真係好難頂啊！呢個姿勢啊。
Everyone, how's the challenge?
I think it's a perfect challenge because I saw Anthony Hung roll his eyes.
And I think HW winked twice.
And also some of you having a funny faces. I have given my best smile to all of you.
But can we actually have the video playback so that we know who has moved and who hasn't?
Are you ready for the video? 想唔想睇下自己咩樣啊？頭先
喂，睇下
競走
你哋自己
時候。
做成點咯
Okay, let's go to the video. And enjoy the dinner tonight. Thank you very much.
We will be back shortly.
哇，好精彩係嘛？
好正。
不過個 pose 咧太過斯文啦，個個都唔夠動感嚇。哇！